A very good evening. You are watching Taiba Weekly News and I am Muskan. Let's start with the headlines. Colleges and universities to reopen for freshers from November 1st. The pandemic and nationwide lockdown have badly affected the academic growth of underprivileged poor students. How long Nirbhaya will repeatedly be repeated? Barbaric act of inhumanity in Hathras as 19 years old gang raped. Kisan protest continues especially in Punjab and Haryana. Tractor rally, Rail Roko Abhiyan, Kisan Bachao rally across states. District Magistrate Dakshin Dinajpur flagged off the Pathasari Abhiyan in the district with repair work of rural road. Worried about your kids' academic growth? Don't worry, Taiba Garden has come with an alternative solution to ensure your kids' academic growth. Colleges and universities to reopen for freshers from November 1st. In view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Commission has accepted the report of the committee set up for revising the academic calendar and appropriate the UGC guidelines on academic calendar for the first year students of the undergraduate and postgraduate students of the universities for the session 2020 to 2021. Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank tweeted the UGC had in April released alternative academic calendar for colleges to reopen with guidelines on exams mode of study and thus still hold. At that time, the plan was to reopen colleges from September, but it could not materialize due to the continuing surge in coronavirus cases. As per the revised calendar, the admission process for the first year students needs to be completed by October 31 and classes for the first semester should commence by November 1st. In order to complete for the loss of academic time, the UGC had asked colleges to test 6 days a week and shorten the winter break this year and the summer break next year. The pandemic and nationwide lockdown have badly affected the academic growth of underprivileged poor students. The pandemic and nationwide lockdown has consequently have badly affected the growth of the underprivileged poor students with no facilities to internet access and smartphones. The poor hardly manages to make their ends meet. It is difficult for them to earn their daily bread in this situation of joblessness. How they can arrange an electronic device for their kids retain online classes? It has put them in great sufferings. The underprivileged poor students have been deprived from their constitutional rights of basic education. How long Nirbhaya will repeatedly be repeated? After the barbaric act of Nirbhaya case in Delhi, strict law and national-wide protests did not pay the word to the dignity of women in this country. A 19-year-old girl was allegedly raped at a village in Hathras on 14 September and she breathed her last on Tuesday at Delhi's Safdarganj hospital. Her body was cremated in the early hours of Wednesday, with her family alleging the local police forced them to contact the last rites in the dead of the night. Kisan protest continues, especially in Punjab and Haryana. The farm bills passed in the parliament lit the fire of protests such as Rail Roko Abhiyan, Tractor Rally, Kisan Bachao Rally. Earlier cabinet minister in the NDA government from Shiromani Akali Dal Harsimrat Kaur resigned in protest against the bill which still continues as farmers are still unconvinced. Week ago, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee officially launched the historic 12,000 kilometers rural roads repair mission initiative Pathasri Abhiyan across the state. District Magistrate of Dakshin Dinajpur, Mr. Nikhil Nirmal flagged off Pathasri Abhiyan program in the district with repair work of rural roads from Tubidanga Mo to Katla Das Pada at Samajia Gram Panchayat of Kumarganj block. Later on the second historic day of Pathasri Abhiyan, rural road repair work initiated in Tapan block by MOS NBDD. 20 repair work started in 2 days. Worried about your kids' academic growth? Don't worry, Taiba Garden has come up with an alternative solution to ensure your kids' academic growth. You just need to go to YouTube and search Taiba Group of Schools, where you can get classes for the students of class 1 to class 10 for West Bengal Board of Primary and Secondary Education. So what are you waiting for? Do subscribe the channel and get the basket of education at the doors in this pandemic. This is all for today. See you in the next week, the same time with other important news. Goodbye.